Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And in a previous video we saw that I got the back windows tinted on my Audi S5. Well, guess what, I'm going to get the same done, but just the rear window on my Mustang. Stay tuned. So yeah, this is the next stage in the blackout process for my Mustang. So previously I wrapped the window chrome with vinyl wrap and that's come out pretty good. I've blacked out this back end, as you remember in previous videos again, and this time what we're going to do, we're going to take it to UK Tints and we're going to get the back window tinted, and for the side windows I've got these louvers I'm going to fit. So let's get the car over to UK Window Tints and get this back window done. So we are back at UK Window Tints and obviously the Mustang is in there ready to get that back window tinted. So let's record that. I'll put that on time lapse so you can watch it just to see what the process is again. So what you just said there is that the back part of the window there is having this sort of fluffy bit at the bottom. If it tries to get the actual tint inside there, it could get some of the hairs stuck in between it and it could stop it sticking properly on the window. So he's just trying to put a little piece of backing paper just in between the window and the actual parcel shelf as such. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. Just like before with the Audi, he's fitting it on the outside of the glass just to get the shape of the actual tint before he puts it on the inside. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. There we go, look at that total blackout, fantastic. So I went for the darkest one you can get, so I don't want any light at all coming through there, so you can't see in at all, which is good. Fantastic service here at UK Window Tints in Hull. Highly recommended. So I've got the car back in the garage now, and yeah, that rear tint looks absolutely fantastic. So we need to do something now with these rear quarters. Now I could have got them tinted, yeah, but I thought no. As I said at the beginning of this video, what I'm looking to do is to install these window louvers, which I think will look way better. So basically they're just going to sit, oh that one's from the other side, but they're just going to sit there and they'll just need sticking down with some good stuff. So what I've got over here is the stuff to do that job with, and let me just talk you through it. So first of all, we'll start with a bit of glass cleaner. So I'm going to use this, that should just take most of the stuff off the glass. And then I've got a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, which is this 99.9% pure isopropyl. That's going to be good for getting any grease and any other little bits off that the window cleaner won't shift. Now I bought this Scotch tape, which this is the very, very strong stuff, and it says Scotch, but look, it's actually a subsidiary of 3M. So the Scotch and the 3M stuff is the same, and this is just as good. It just uses another brand, but this is the very high bonding rate tape, so it might need chopping. I need to look at the thickness on the back of these louvers just to see how it's going to fit. But yeah, so that should hopefully hold it on. So let's get the windows cleaned and then we can get these stuck on. So that's the glass now prepared. So let's now prepare the louver on the back so it can take this Scotch tape. did actually come with this tape here, which is a lot thinner, and it's probably the right thickness to do that. But mine, I bought the thicker stuff because, to be honest, that's all we had. Screwfix I bought this from, by the way. If you need to get some, just try Screwfix. But what I'm going to do is I'll probably just cut down the middle of that, and then I can do the pieces that I need to go around the edge by just shaping this. So there we go, that's it done. I think my advice would be to buy the thinner tape if you can. That's going to save all that chopping that you saw me having to do with that. But yeah, that should still work. So let's now go fit this to the car. That's it, the next part of my Blackout has now been completed. That's with the window louvers on here, and they've gone on quite well. For AliExpress specials, they're not too bad. It was just a little bit tight at this bottom edge here, but I think it's got enough sticky all around there to keep it in place. So hey, I mean, if they blow off, they blow off. But they weren't expensive, and if they did come off and they didn't, you know, if I did lose them, then I'll probably look for some more expensive ones and some better quality ones. But yeah, these are pretty good. I'm happy with these. But definitely use the good tape, like I used the Scotch tape there, which is the same as the 3M stuff. You definitely need good tape, because the cheaper stuff just won't be as sticky, and you would more than likely lose them with the cheaper stuff. So there we have it. Thanks again for watching my channel, and don't forget, if you did like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Still heading for that 750 by Christmas, well on target for that, but all your subscriptions really do help that. And if you did like this particular video, give it the thumbs up. And go subscribe to me on Instagram. I'll put that down below as well. So, fun to drive cars. But until the next time, stay safe.